Cooking up a storm with Boy Boss. Oh yeah. That's how we do in the South, baby. With the Boy Boss crew. Doesn't get any better than this. Come get you some. Oh yeah, Cajun crawfish boil with the Boy Boss. Come get you some. That's how you do it with Boy Boss. Come get you one.
Gotta cool them down. Helps them soak all the seasoning in. You don't have to dilute the seasoning by pouring bags of ice in there, adding all that water. A lot of people dump frozen corn in there, but it only cools it down a little bit. So it doesn't cool it down enough to really stop the cooking all the way. So by spraying fresh water all around the outside of the pot, constantly cooling it down. Takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and it goes from 212 degrees to 160.
Wow, impressive.
So it's starting to cool it down now. We're at about 180 right now, so we'll keep it going. The key is you really want to make sure you stir while the Boy Boss is spraying. That way you're agitating the water and pushing all the hot water to the outside of the pot where it's already cooled down. So that pot's already pretty cold.
Wow, you can touch that with your hand, huh?
Yep.
Wow, that's impressive.
Stirring it down, they're soaking in all the seasonings, absorbing all the flavor.
Now, why is this method more preferred over the ice method?
Well, the challenge with ice is every time you pour a bag of ice in there, you add a lot of water to it. So you dilute the recipe with water. So it's really not the best option. It actually doesn't even cool it down enough as well. So for every 20-pound bag of ice, it's like 2 gallons of water. So this way you keep the water on the outside of the pot, you're not diluting it at all. save all your seasonings. You work so hard and put so much money into these crawfish boils. You want to get it right.
Exactly.
Spend all that time perfecting your seasoning too, then you're just going to add water to it. Not ideal. Now we're getting closer there. We're almost at 160, and that's when the meat stops cooking.
Now, boil balls is made in the USA, right?
Yep, that's right. We're in Harahan, Louisiana. That's where we're right on River.
Built in Louisiana.
All right, you can see they've dropped, they've sunk now.
Oh yeah.
So that's an indicator that they've absorbed all the seasoning.
Oh
and,
yeah.
They're down in the bottom. When you just finish cooking them, they're red and they're floating on the top. They're filled with air. After you cool them down and they soak up all that seasoning, they drop to the bottom.
Impressive.
All right. I think we're about at 160. So we can go ahead and shut the bull boss off now.
Yes.
And let them soak.
I agree. All right, at this point, we're just gonna let it soak. This is your soaking period. Anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how spicy you want your crawfish. Come get you some. All right, all you gotta do is just sit back and drool. All right, now my subscriber wants to know, does this thing really work? I mean, does it really make that crawfish really that juicy?
Right,
People want to know.
So what the bull boss does is when it sprays water and cools them down, they soak up all that seasoning and they do make them juicier. And we're gonna pull one out just to show how much juice comes out of there. Ooh, that one broke on us.
Y'all see that? That is insane.
Want to get another one out?
Let's go for another one.
All right.
Y'all see it here. Live on Midnight Craving. Y'all see that? That is insane. Look at that.
Yep. So
That
the faster they cool down, the more seasoning they soak up. You can grab another one out of here.
Y'all, I am so ready to dig in. I am so ready.
Makes a big difference.
Smells so good. And
let's get a bigger one here. There's a good one right
now
there.
you want to know how juicy it is? You see it here. Y'all look at that. That is insane. Awesome.
Not only that, they're a lot easier to peel. So that's one of the other benefits when you get them cooled down really quickly, is they separate from the shell really easily. Super easy to peel. They break off and it's perfectly cooked.
Wow. Sweet Cajun crawfish boil with the boil boss. Come get you some. How's the crawfish?
Delicious. Perfect. Got the perfect balance of that heat and flavor.
Thanks to Boil Boss. Made it all possible. Cajun crawfish boil. Come get you some. Alright, y'all. POV, point of view, up close and personal, in your face TV. Welcome to Midnight Craving. We're about to go down. That is so good. I'm telling y'all, if you never had crawfish, you're missing out. Oh my God. The crack of the salt. So good. It's almost illegal. So addicting. Yeah, conecuh, we need to talk. I can't get enough of this stuff. Seriously. So good, y'all. So good. Look at all that juice dripping off. You see that? Don't mind if I do. Alright, y'all, you know how this works. Get this video or any of my video from a week before. Get at least 1,000 likes. You know what we're gonna do, huh? I'm gonna invite some of y'all to my all-you-can-eat crawfish bowl. Help us grow. You know, at least 1,000 likes on any of the video, or bring it up to 50,000 subscribers. Yep, I want you guys to be here next to me. Rather than watching me eat, you can be here eating all this crawfish. Help me finish all this crawfish. Don't let all this good food go to waste. Y'all need to be here. I want you guys to be here. Sit here, have fun, and just kick back and relax and enjoy good old southern food. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop me a comment down below. Where you guys from? I mean, have you ever had crawfish? Because I honestly want you guys to be here with me. Sit next to us, have a good old time eating Louisiana spicy Cajun crawfish. Doesn't get any better than this. Don't forget now. Don't forget to like this video and drop me a comment down below. Where you guys from? And would you like to be part of this all-you-can-eat event? Because I know I want you guys to be here as well. Love you guys. So until next time, love and respect one another. Peace, y'all.